So I decided I'm going to do a little project today since it's easy and I have some 3M vinyl. I'm going to wrap these trim pieces in black because the interior just like looks out of place with the red interior and the wood trim. So it's going to be something I'm going to take care of today. So I watched a video, and I'll put a link in the description below, the guy that showed me how to pull it out. It's really simple. I guess you just pull it from the front and then it slides in the back. So we're just going to do that and hopefully it works out right. Probably do some trim removal tools. Well, it comes off exactly as how that guy said. It's just like really hard to do with one hand. So I mean, I'm just going to remove the other ones, and then we'll start the video, and we'll just kind of basically wrap these pieces with the black vinyl. that's it. Got all the pieces and wrapped. This is like a galaxy black. There's like a little metallic shimmer on it. It's hard to see inside. I got this to wrap all my Maserati pieces that were chrome, and that car got totaled, so here it is. Now it's so that piece. The right piece. Centerpiece. Other side. So these pieces were actually a little tricky. This one, the back clip didn't want to come out on this side. We'll go around to the other side now and get these done. And that was a little quick project. This piece. Just makes more sense with the black and red to not have the wood trim. The wood trim just does, it looks out of place. And that's it. Pretty simple. Took probably about I don't know, 15-20 minutes to do all the trim panels. I think it looks alright.